Here's our function. F of x equals 1 plus square root of x times x cubed. And we want to take that derivative. Of course, probably the first thing we want to do is remember that square root of x is the same as x to the 1/2 power. That will make it easy for us to see how to use the power rule. Once we've done that, we know that we need to use the product rule in this particular case. So the derivative is going to be 1 plus square root of x. We'll take the derivative of that. So we're just outlining the product rule here without actually doing the differentiating. So the derivative of the first times the second plus, now we're going to take the second function, what we call the second function, and take the derivative of that times the derivative there. And going back, I should have kept the x to the 1/2 in here. And so now we're ready to differentiate. So, of course, the derivative here will be 0. We'll write it out, plus 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, and then x cubed is unchanged, plus x cubed times, backing up again, we've got to take our derivative there. So that's a 3x squared times 1 plus x to the 1/2. And now all the differentiation is done. All that's left is to simplify. This first term is going to simplify into an x cubed over 2x to the 1/2 plus, and I don't know if there's much advantage in simplifying here, so we're going to leave it like that. About the only thing we could do is in this area right here, we could use the properties of exponents and rewrite that as and subtract the top exponent from the bottom, so it would be x to the 1/2. So let's finish that off here, or x to the 5/2. So it'll be 1/2 x to the 5/2 plus 3x squared times 1 plus x to the 1/2. And in calculus, we're okay for the most part leaving exponents like 5/2. We're okay with that. We might change the exponent of 1/2 to square root, but that is how we do that problem.